Why is math class easy, but the exam feels like Squid Game? Like, math teachers will tell you that the exam is going to be easy. Next thing you know, question 1 looks like
It was written by NASA.
Like, bro, I came here for algebra, not to calculate rocket fuel. And in class, they're giving us baby problems like,
If Johnny has 2 apples and gives away 1, how much apples will he have?
Then on the exam, it's, if Johnny invests his apples at a 7% return while traveling at the speed of light, how many apples does he have left?
In a black hole.
What? Where was that in the notes? And the best part is when they say, if anyone has doubts, ask me. So one kid actually raises his hand like,
I don't get number 3.
and instead of helping,
The teacher goes full roast mode. You don't know this? We literally just did this yesterday.
like, bro, he asked for help, not a public execution. Then they'll hit you with, the exam is just like the homework. Yeah, right. The homework was 2 plus 2. The exam is prove why 2 plus 2 equals 4 using...
18 pages of logic.
When it's finally over, they smile and go,
See? It wasn't that hard.
bro, that wasn't an exam. That was a boss fight. And I walked in with no armor, no weapons,
And half a health bar.